dead hang versus active hang. Which one is better and what are the main differences? In this video, I'm going to teach you the main differences between dead hangs and active hangs, and at the very end of the video, I'm going to share with you the 3 main factors that come into play that determines if active hangs or dead hangs will be better suited for you. So make sure to stick around for that. Alright, so let's go through the differences between active hangs and dead hangs. So in a dead hang, they're like the name suggests, you're basically just hanging there, more or less dead. So you're just hanging there passively, holding on to the bar, and that's it. Now in an active hang, you're actually actively depressing your shoulders, so you're pulling your shoulders down and keeping them in that position throughout the entire holding time. Now dead hangs can be used for decompressing the spine, strengthening your grip strength, endurance, and stretching your lats to some extent as well. But in an active hang, you're also activating the lower trapezius. So in an active hang, you will be improving your grip strength, endurance, you will be training your lower trapezius, and you will be also decompressing your spine to some extent. And you also learn how to stabilize your scapula, which will be beneficial for you in your pull-ups and in your chin-ups. So let's go through the 3 main factors that determine if you should choose one over the other. Now the first one is if you just want to focus on your forearms, your grip strength, endurance, and decompressing your spine and stretching your lats to some extent, then go with a dead hang. 2. If you want to target your lower trapezius, your forearms, improve your scapula stabilization, then in that case active hangs will be a better option for you. And hey, if you get some value from this video, then why don't you go ahead and subscribe to the channel right there for more similar videos in the future. And lastly, number 3, if you're experiencing any shoulder pain when doing dead hangs, then in that case an active hang will be much better for you. And this is the case for a lot of people with hypermobile joints. So if you have any issues with your shoulders in general, then hanging in a dead hang position might be a bit uncomfortable. If that's the case, then simply depress your shoulder blades and go into an active hang, and you might notice that your shoulders feel way better this way. Or you could of course do both if you don't have any pain in your shoulders. So what you could do is you could do an active hang for as long as you can, and once you get too tired, you simply go down into a dead hang and finish the set in a dead hang basically. So that way you can do both in the same set. So hey, now that you know the difference between active hangs and dead hangs, you might be interested in finding out what kind of different pull-up variations you can do. So in that case, I highly recommend you to have a look at this video right here. That's going to teach you the 7 most effective pull-up variations. That's it for this video. Hope you got some value from this, and if you got some value from it, then please go ahead and leave this video a like, it's highly appreciated, and subscribe to the channel for more tips on how to build a warrior body with primal training. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.